I've worked on everything from nuclear reactors to residential splits, and 17 years in this trade has taught me one thing. Technical specs on a datasheet don't mean a lick if the unit can't survive a hailstorm or a budget-conscious homeowner's power bill. Today, we are putting two basic tier workhorses head-to-head. In the left corner, we have the RunTru A5AC5, and in the right, the WeatherMaker PA4SAN5. Both of these are ducted split air conditioners designed to get the job done without the flashy, expensive bells and whistles. Starting with the build, the first thing I look at is how well that expensive outdoor coil is protected. The RunTru A5AC5 features slotted panels. In the field, these are a solid middle ground. They offer better protection against debris than a thin wire guard, but still leave more exposure than a heavy-duty cabinet. On the other hand, the WeatherMaker PA4SAN5 uses a wire grill. As a tech, I've seen what a stray rock or heavy hail can do to an unprotected coil, and a wire grill offers the absolute minimum level of defense. When we talk efficiency and the guts of the machine, we are looking at a very close matchup. The RunTru A5AC5 pulls a 15.2 SEER 2 rating, giving it a slight efficiency edge over the WeatherMaker PA4SAN5, which comes in at 14.3 SEER 2. Under the hood, both units utilize single-stage scroll compressors. From my days as an electrician, I appreciate the simplicity here. It's old school, reliable tech that any journeyman can fix in the middle of July. Now, let's talk brass tacks. The cost. For the equipment alone, you can find a 3-ton RunTru condenser for approximately $1,600 to $2,100. The WeatherMaker is priced very competitively in a similar range, often found between $1,500 and $1,900 for the unit itself. However, when you factor in a professional installation, you are looking at a total project cost of $5,000 to $8,500 for either model, depending on your local labor rates and the complexity of the swap. While the WeatherMaker has a lower entry price, the RunTru offers slightly better efficiency for the investment. Before we crown a winner, remember that the best unit in the world will fail if you don't keep the grass out of the fins. Wash that condenser coil every spring with a garden hose, not a pressure washer, to keep your head pressures low and your compressor happy. The warranty battle is a complete stalemate. Both brands offer a solid 10-year limited warranty on the compressor and functional parts, provided you register the unit within 60 days of installation. Neither of these basic models includes a unit replacement, no hassle warranty, so if the compressor fails in year 9, you get a new part, but you're still paying the labor to swap it out. The verdict is in. If I'm putting my reputation on the line for a homeowner who wants the best longevity for their buck, I am going with the RunTru A5AC5. RunTru wins on two critical fronts: build and efficiency. The slotted panels provide much better coil protection than the WeatherMaker's wire grill, and that 15.2 SEER 2 rating will save you more on your monthly power bill over the next 15 years. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com to see how these stack up against the premium models.